So first things first, open up Lightroom. What you're going to need to do is go to Edit and go to Preferences. On Mac, also find the Preferences. Then next you're going to need to hit Show Lightroom Develop Presets. From here, navigate to Settings. And this is where you drag your presets. So for me, we're going to drag my travel presets. And you literally drag it across. Once that's dragged across, what you need to do is restart Lightroom. After you restart Lightroom, the presets will appear on the left hand side, as you can see. To use these presets in Photoshop, navigate to Filter, Camera Raw filter. And as you can see on the right hand side here, it says presets. And all of the presets you just installed are going to be here on the right hand side. Anyway guys, hopefully this video was useful. If you don't have any presets, then click the link in the description. You can download my presets for free. Peace.